Hello, mathematicians. It's good to see you. I've been having trouble with my Zooming today, but I think we're in good shape. I want to talk to you a little bit today about, well, this is our math lesson, and about using an organized list as a strategy for solving a math problem. So I'm starting with this first problem, and this is about ordering lunch at Lee's Lunch Cafe. And there's a deal there. You can get 2 items for $1.99, basically 2 items for $2. So I want to see all the different combinations I could choose with my $2. So I'm going to use an organized list to make sure I can figure out all the different combinations. And I'm going to start with the sandwich because that's usually my main thing to have. So I can get a sandwich and a soda. On my organized list, I'm going to stay with that sandwich. And I'm going to go to sandwich and soup. My last one would be sandwich and salad. That's 3 combinations. But you can see there's more. What if I want soup and a soda? Or I could get my favorite soup. I like potato soup. Soup and, I've already done soup and sandwich, so I'm going to skip that one. Soup and salad. Now, are there any other combinations I can do? Do I have salad and soda? I do not. So now I think I've exhausted the sandwiches. I've exhausted the soup combos. Now the ones that start with salad. Let's just look up here. Salad and soda. Do I have salad and sandwich? Yeah, right there. Do I have salad and soup? Right there. So there's 6 different choices at Lee's Lunch Cafe. So when I'm telling Peter about ordering lunch, I can give him different options. Now, here's a little one that's a little trickier. And I'd like you to get your math notebook for this. You can shut the video and go get it. And let's read it over. So this one is about paying money. It costs 50 cents to go to the aquarium. How many different ways can you pay using quarters, dimes, and nickels? So if you just had all this money, you know there's different ways you can count it out. But if you wanted to see some different combinations, you have a bunch of change. So you wanted to get rid of more of your change. An organized list would really help you. So let's start with the largest coin, quarter, then the dime, then the nickel. Let's see how many. Now the thing about an organized list is you don't want to just start saying, oh, 1 quarter or 2 dimes. You want to be organized. So let's start with, we know the easiest way to make 50 cents would be 2 quarters, right? That would be 50 cents. Now, to keep it organized, let's go down and just do all the possibilities if you just have 1 quarter. I had 1 quarter, 2 dimes, and a nickel. That would be 50 cents as well, right? So 1 quarter, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. 25, 30, 40, 50. Now what if let's keep going down with these dimes then. 1 quarter, 1 dime, 35, and we'll just use my favorite coin, the nickel now. 25, 35, 40, 45, 50. So I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, sure, there's another combo with 1/4. What if I had no dimes? Well, I know that 5 nickels is 25 cents. I thought I had another nickel around here. Where did I put it? Well, we could just pretend. 25, and this would be 5, 10, 15, 20. If I had another one, it'd be 25. So there's 1 combo if I have 2/4. And then 3 if I have 1/4. Is there any more with just 1/4? We have the 2 dimes, the 1 dime. So I think that's it. We're going on. What if I have no quarters? Well, we know that 5 dimes would be 50 cents. If I had no quarters, I only had 4 dimes. That'd be 40 cents. I'd need 45, 52 nickels. If I had, oh, am I getting off my page here? Let's move this. 3 dimes would be 30 cents. So I'd need 20 more cents for 50. That would be 4 nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20. I had 2 dimes, that's 20 cents. I need 30, and I know that 6 times 5 is 30. Let's see if I only have 1 dime, that's 40. So many nickels? I know I need 8, because I know that 8 times 5 is 40. There's lots of different ways to get 50 cents, and the organized list really helps me because I know I've eliminated this one, and I've logically gone down the dimes. Now I've logically gone down the dimes with no quarters. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 ways to make 50 cents with 3 different coins. Now, in page 220, today, it's called the 18-cent problem. And what are all the different ways you can make 18 cents with pennies, nickels, and dimes? And I don't want you to choose your strategy. I want you to do the strategy I just talked about, making an organized list. And why does the strategy make the most sense to you? Well, because we can keep track. It's easier to keep track of the coins. Keep the coins in order. So we did Lee's Lunch Cafe. Then we did 50 cents to get into the aquarium. Now you're doing the 18-cent problem. And to be organized, I think it's best to start with your biggest coin, your dime, then your nickel, then your penny. So I want you to do page 220 today and 221. And also some extra math, which you might have already done. Whoops. All right, have a great day. Talk to you later, Gators.